So continuing with our little introduction to Google, we're going to go now to Google Documents, or Google Drive, if you will. So I created a number of folders, and after I create them, I will add everybody to them, and you'll get a little email letting you know that you've been added. You can go straight to it from there, or you can go actually through Google as you'll do in the future. So again, we're going to go up to these little squares. And this you can change to see or to show whatever you'd like. I'm not sure what the default is. If you have problems adding the drive or groups or calendar to it, let me know and we can meet up and I can show you how to do that easily or send you one of these videos. Anyway, so we're going to go to Google Drive. And in Google Drive, it's like your documents folder on your computer. So it's literally all of these documents are the ones that were created by the Gear Up ACT group or webpage. So I created 4 different things like technical help, teaching resources, schedules and contact, and lesson plans if we want to upload all of our lesson plans so we can share them with each other. So let me do a little kind of how to upload something into you here. So as you've seen, I clicked on one of these titles, so I clicked on the tech help one. And basically, you can just drop the files in here. So if I want to take one of these slides, or a slide page, or Google Slides document I created, you just put it there, upload and share. So this will share it back to the ACT group. Everybody will be able to see it. And here it is. So because I made this on Google Docs, it'll open up into the Google Docs. I have to download it though to actually see it. And that's pretty cool. If you haven't used Google Docs, it's like a slightly dumbed down version of Microsoft Windows, but it really has all the things you need, and it's completely free. Whereas, of course, Microsoft Office is not free. So we're going to close this window here. Go back to our drive. So, how I got to this drive, it went to it automatically, but it's under the shared with me. This would be the files you create yourself, and shared with me would be the ones that, of course, were shared with you. So, in one thing I created an actual page already. So I have all these different topics we can share to kind of keep our resources organized. And then another one I did was websites. So if you find a helpful website, I created this little table so you can just copy and paste your website in here and give like a quick description about it so we know. And that way you can just click on this easily and go to the website instead of creating a page for each website or something weird. I thought that would be much more helpful. And it all saves automatically. There's no save button. People will be editing it. If you both have the document open at the same time, you can see them making the changes to it. And when changes were made. It's a really great system and very helpful. So that's about it. Also, you can create folders. You can create a document right within the Microsoft, the Google Drive itself. What I have on my computer is I have Google Drive, and then I have all of my documents, or all of my folders on my desktop are actually shortcuts to the Google Drive. So if I save something here on for my evolution class, it's automatically on Google Drive wherever I go. So like I said, again, if you want help just kind of integrating more Google products into your life, let me know. Over the past year or so is when I've really been working on it, and it's a really great thing to use. So, and I'm going to add this in here real quick. I also created a group. So if you go to our little squares and you go to Google Groups, and then My Groups, maybe not. I'm still kind of figuring this out. Never mind on that one. That'll be in another video. Anyway, so I hope that helps you understand Google Drive. If you have any questions, please just